No, huh? No, no. Listeners, huh? Listeners.
Yeah.
Naligo sila. They are take shower. No. Pom. Makakalakad ka, freedom. You need to go freedom after bloomingers, huh? After blooming, you go freedom. Later on you eating. Isang daka. Anak, this is my two puppies, my princess type Shih Tzu. You are not Danis. You are still waiting. First time to use a blower. Basta ka pa. Again. Tingnan mo yung balahibo nila, guys. So, look the hair. Naligo sila. And then, after ligo nila, dry ko muna sila. After this, no. Susuklayan dito. Sabi niya, ginabugbog mo. No, you are not You make it blooming. You're still wet. It's not like
Hey, you can run down by himself.
yes, very good. You're so strong, huh? Oh.
I don't go up here to destroy everything.
And that's our toys. Dalawa sila. Ito yung isa. Magkapatid yan sila. They are sister and brother. No, it's not done. Gusto mo? Oh, Danes. Okay. Yeah, enjoy. Yan, run. Maloksi. Look at Alexi. It's very beautiful. Beautiful lady.